A very good morning or good afternoon to my dear students. Today's topic is the topic called as directions. Okay, this topic comes under the category of reasoning itself. Okay, the logical reasoning. We're gonna cover the topic called as directions in this very particular class. These are some questions written over here. We'll be targeting the question one by one. But before that, we need to know certain fundamentals, certain knowledge, certain basic things related to the topic called as direction, and some tricks involved to use them in the questions while doing it, and will make it easy for you. So let us take them one by one. Here's a diagram. Three diagrams have been drawn for you. Let us take them one by one. The first one belongs to the types of direction. See, there are two types of direction generally. One is the main direction, another one is the cardinal direction. Now, what is main direction? Main directions are four, as you already know. There is north, south, east, and west. So this is how the picture is: north, south, east, and west. Here we have shown north as up, south as down, east as right, and west as left. You have to use it the same way itself while doing the questions also. Not to be assumed up, down, right, and left has to be east and west respectively. Obviously, in a 2D board, I cannot express north, south, east, west. Obviously, the north in the physical word is never up. Okay, north will be somewhere here: north, south, east, and west. So there is no up and down thing involved in physical word. But while doing the questions of these particular topic, you can assume, you can take a trick as north to be up, south has to be down, east has to be right, and west has to be left. Okay, so let us take it. So each main direction is 90 degree apart from each other, as you can see. This is a very general thing. Okay, the next one is the direction, particular diagram of the cardinal direction. What are cardinal directions? See, every direction between north and east, that is northeast, is the cardinal direction. Similarly, between south and east, southeast cardinal directions, southwest cardinal direction, and north west cardinal direction. In between directions are called as cardinal direction. This is what is shown here: northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Each of them are 45 degree apart from the main direction. See, the direction is the angle from main direction north to cardinal direction northeast is 45 degree, and so on for everything. Okay, if you are facing initially, suppose this west, and you take one turn towards your right, you will be moving to northwest, and if you take 8 such turns, you will be again facing the west. You need to understand this. If initially you are facing west and you take 45 degree turn, if you take 8 such turns of 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, you will be again facing the same direction which you were initially facing. Okay, this is how it works. The last one, which is a clockwise and anti-clockwise, this is so simple. As the clock moves, that is the clockwise direction, this is how it is. As the clock does not move, the reverse of that, anti-clock, this is how it is. So clockwise is this, and clockwise is this, and anti-clockwise is this. Okay, so you have to take care of these three things, then the questions are easy. So let us start the questions one by one using all these tricks or all these knowledge which I have told you. Okay, let us begin. Okay, the first one. What are you saying? If A is to the south of B and C is to the east of B, in what direction is A with respect to C? This is WRT is with respect to C. Let us take them one by one. The first thing is saying is if A is to the south of B. मैंने आपको पहले ही बोला है, assume north as up, south as down, east as right. If you are facing this way, north as up, south as down, east as right, and west as left. Use it this way. So first of all, he is saying if A is to the south of B. A अगर B के साउथ में है, यानी साउथ में होना मतलब नीचे होना. If A is to the south of B, that means A is under B, okay, downside B. So if B is here, he is saying A is to the south of B. तो B के साउथ में यानी B के नीचे, साउथ को हम नीचे ही शो कर रहे हैं. A is to the south of B यानी B के नीचे है A, down, okay, up, down, right, left. This is what you are doing. So A is to the south of B. This is how it is. Okay. The next one is saying C is to the east of B. ईस्ट होना मतलब राइट होना. सी ही सेइंग सी इज टू द ईस्ट ऑफ बी, यानी बी के ईस्ट में सी है, यानी बी के राइट में सी है. सो ड्रॉ योर सी हियर. ए इज टू द साउथ ऑफ बी, सी इज टू द राइट ऑफ बी, दैट इज ईस्ट ऑफ बी. दिस इज द जनरल थिंग. नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग इज in what direction is A with respect to C? In what direction is A with respect to C? यानी अगर आप C के रेस्पेक्ट में A तक अप्रोच करना चाहें तो कौन सा डायरेक्शन फॉलो करना पड़ेगा? इन व्हाट डायरेक्शन इज A विद रिस्पेक्ट टू C? तो C से अगर आपको A अप्रोच करना है, you being C, अगर आपको A अप्रोच करना है, what direction you will be following? This direction is nothing but the southwest north. In the earlier diagram you have seen this particular direction is southwest. Okay, so the answer for the first one is southwest. Okay, let's do the next one. Okay, what is the next one? Is saying Ravi cycled 10 kilometers south, turned right and cycled 5 kilometers and turned right and so on, so on, so on. Let us follow one by one. And one more important thing while doing this question is that your diagram should be very clear. Okay, if you make a confusing diagram, that will again make you confused and the things will go wrong. So make it easily, make it comfortably, make it calmly and a neat diagram. Let's take it one by one. What is saying? The first one is Ravi cycled 10 kilometers south. South means down. Let us begin. Let us begin from here. South 10 kilometers. Write a 10 here. South. Okay. Turned right and cycled 5 kilometers. Now somebody has traveled down and turned right. Facing south, turning right. Which direction? Is west. Okay. So facing south, turning right is west. He is turning right and traveling where? Turned right and cycled 5. So this is 5. This very distance is 5. He is reached here. Now he is facing west. What is the next one? And turned right. 10 kilometers south, turn right and cycle 5 kilometers and turn right. एक और right है. Facing west, turning right is north again. Okay, how much? And turn right and cycle 10 kilometers. Turning right, cycle 10 kilometers. So back there. So you reach in the same line of the earlier initial point. This is how you are now. Okay, you are facing again the northward. Next thing is and turn left. यहाँ से turn left. Facing north, turning left is your west again. Okay, turn left. How much to cycle? Turn left and cycle 10 kilometers again. यहाँ से फिर 10 kilometers. Suppose यहाँ पे आ गया. This is 10. This was also 10. And this is also your 10. Okay, so this is his final position. This was his initial position. Now what he's asking is, how many kilometers will he have to cycle to reach his home straight? जहां पे अब वो पहुंच गया है वहां से दोबारा से होम पे जाने के लिए कितना साइकिल बैक करना पड़ेगा? तो देखिए 10 किलोमीटर आप यहाँ पे आए हैं और देखिए वर्ड है स्ट्रेट. डायरेक्टली अगर ट्रेवल करना है, वैसे नहीं जैसे आप आए हैं, स्ट्रेट अगर जाना है तो हाउ मच टू साइकिल? इससे 10 किलोमीटर आप यहाँ से आगे आए थे और 5 किलोमीटर डिस्टेंस ये आया था. इट हैज टू बी 10 + 5 15. Okay, this is 5, so it has to be 10 + 5 15 kilometers. Okay, this is how you follow it. Okay, the next one please. Okay, the next one is a rat runs 20 meters towards east and turns to right. Okay, let us begin one by one. What is saying? A rat runs 20 meters towards east. Here is the position of the rat. 20 meters towards east. East means right. 20 meters towards east. This is how 20 meters. Okay, यहाँ पे पहुंच गई है. Towards east, that means the facing is now eastward, towards east. Okay, and turns to right, and when he reaches there he turns to right. So face in the east direction, turning to right is south. Okay, so he is coming back to south and turning what? Turns to right. Runs 10 meter. यहाँ से फिर 10 meter. So this is 10 meter. कुछ यहाँ पे पहुंच गया होगा. The next thing is and turns to okay 20 meter towards east and turns to right, runs 10 meter and turns to right. यानी एक और right है इसके बाद. Now the direction is south. Facing south, turning right is what? Is your west. Okay, facing south, turning right is your west. This is how he has to write down. And how much does he walk? Turns right, runs 9 meters. So यहाँ से 9 meter जा रहा है. So this is 9 meter. Okay, this is 9 meter. Now the face is towards west. What is doing next? And again turns to left. Facing west, turning left. Facing west, turning left is again south. Okay, so he turns to south and walks what? Runs 5 meter. He is running 5 meter here also. So this is also 5 meter. The downward here he has reached. Now face is again towards south. The next statement is then to left runs 12 meter. Facing south, turning left. Okay, that is a facing south, turning left. That is your east. Okay, he is moving towards east and walking how much? 12 meter. So 9 was this initially. 3 more to reach to 12. So this is he is somewhere here. Okay, somewhere here. Facing now again what? Facing again east. Now what to do next? 12 meter and finally turns to left and runs 6 meter. Facing east, turning left is south. Oh, sorry, north. Facing east, turning left is north. So from here he is turning towards north and how much he is walking? And runs 6 meters. So see, 5 meter was this. He's walked 6 meter to plus 1 more. So 6 meter will be somewhere, let's say here. So this is the final position of the boy, of the rat. Okay, now which direction he is facing? You can easily see he is facing up, so he is facing north itself. Okay, that's what he's asking, which direction he is facing. He is facing your north. Okay, so we have to make a clear diagram. We have to follow the directions and the movement distance one by one. Then we'll reach to the final conclusion. Okay, make it as comfortable and as neat as possible. This is the only trick involved. The next one.